Guys, what's up you all? Welcome back to my channel. You're watching me, Tanuja, and for today's video I am doing this full face of makeup, this very easy wearable ethnic glam. Now since the festivities are going all around, Ganesh Chaturthi chal rahi hai, aane wale time mein Karwa Chauth, Diwali, and yeah, basically a lot of festivals are going on and aayenge bhi aane wale time mein. Yeah, that's the whole makeup look. And as for my outfit, this is a suit that I got stitched. It is in the fabric Chanderi, so ये Chanderi का suit है. My auntie gifted me this. That's how the suit looks. इसके यहाँ पे there is all motifs का work, and then we have this beautiful orange and blue chunni. So outfit details मैं नहीं आपको tag करके दे पाऊँगी. I got this stitched approximately 2 years ago. So if you want to know how I got this face, then please continue watching this video. And without any further ado, let's get started.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
So we are perfectly zoomed in. Our hair is like back. And technically the first step has to be good skincare, but I just shot a video for my Instagram in which I did my skincare. So my skin is absolutely moisturized and everything is good. So the first product that we're gonna go in directly is this primer. I have the Insight Cosmetics primer. This is such a good primer, you guys. Yep, so I'm gonna take a good quantity of it and put it all across my face. This one is a really good primer. I am sort of thinking to review this one for you guys, but very good primer, like full marks to this primer. So since it's a very practical and a wearable makeup look, it's a daytime and we really want to go low on coverage. Like I don't want my face to cake up a lot, especially if it's a festival and I have a lot to do. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer. This is a very medium to full coverage foundation. Like you can really build it up, but for me it works for like sheer coverage. So I'm gonna directly like go with it on my face. I'm using a wet beauty sponge to just, spread it all over my face, and I'm going in with a very light hand. It is very important while you're doing your makeup कि आपका हाथ चलने में भारी ना हो. Just very lightly and just dabbing it all over my face. So that is the finished foundation. I know my blemishes and like my pigmentation marks, like everything is quite visible through this foundation, but that's the kind of look that I want. I'm not at all going in with a full coverage look. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. That's the only concealer that I own right now, and again I don't want to cake it up, so bilkul like a very less product. So I'm going to just put like one tap, another tap, 1, 2, and a little here, a little. And I'm going to be using a densely packed brush. This was meant for eyeshadow, but I really use it for my concealer, and I'm going to just buff out the product, just focusing it there only, so that I have a brighten up effect underneath my eyes. The last thing that I want to look on a festival is sleepy. So killing those under eye circles. After the brush, I'm gonna again go in with my beauty blender just to blend out my concealer very nicely and properly. And for setting my under eyes, I'm using this Lakme's New Natural finishing powder. It's actually a pretty good powder. It's very finely like milled, and everything is really good about it, so works perfectly for my under eyes. So I'm gonna just, like, I'm not baking, I'm gonna just apply the product, and yeah, like jab tak main iska lagaungi, it's gonna just sit, and then I'm gonna just remove it and pat. And because I don't want to bake, I'm gonna just take a flat brush and remove whatever excess product that is sitting over my face. And then whatever is left on the brush, or I'll take a little bit from the container itself, I'm gonna just set in my face. Next up, let's go to bronzing. And for bronzer, you guys already know I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette. This is in the shade Tulsi De Leche, and I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and put on some contour. You know, we're gonna not go very like bang on bronzing. We're gonna just touch our skin a little bit. A lot of people just put their contour like that and they don't blend it in their hairline, so it's very important that you go, you know, like within your hairline like this, so उससे थोड़ा natural लगता है आपका contour और ज़्यादा. Next up for my blush, I'm using this Sugar's Face Forward blush stick in the shade Mauve Marble, and I'm going to be using my brush to apply this brush. It's a very, you know, like a dark toned mauve pink sort of a blush. So yeah, just to control the pigmentation and everything, I go in with a blush. Also, it is not very hygienic to directly apply it on my face. Yeah, starting off by placing the blush. Just like where my contour was placed, uske bilkul upar I'm placing my blush. Now since the majority of product is gone like here, now I'm gonna start blending towards inner parts of my face. I've also put a little bit on my nose. So, yeah. Again, going in with my blender to blend everything in. I really like this step, so I do this after every product that goes on my face because I like my base to be very nicely blended and everything should look one. Okay, now moving on to my eyes, I'm gonna be using this Beauty Glazed Color Board palette for like doing my eyes. So I did a video in which I did like complete review of this palette. Iske review, swatches, everything is there, so go and watch it. And for today I'm gonna be using this color board, this orange color board, because my kurta has orange as well. So first up, I've picked up a very neutral brown shadow, and that's gonna go in my crease because that's really good. So next up, I've picked up a bright orange shadow, and that's gonna go all over my lid. At least that's what I've sought, because I really wanted to keep this look easy and like very quick. So yeah, pura lid pe we're gonna apply an orange shade. Now after placing the orange, I'm gonna just blend it in my crease so that it looks seamless and we have no harsh edges. So the blending is done, and that's the final result like that. You can actually go on with a liner, apply some lipstick, and you're good to go. But I'm a little bit extra, so I'm gonna just pick up like an orange shimmer. I'm gonna show you guys that's how this one looks. It's a very nice subtle orange shimmer, and I'm gonna just apply it on the center of my lid. I think that's gonna look very pretty. You see that sort of a sheen that it gives to your eyes, so that's gonna look super pretty. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna pick up a champagne shade which looks something like this, so very reflective, and I'm gonna just tap it once on the absolute center of my lid, like just once. You see that? It just makes that glitter pop really nicely. So I quickly did my liner off camera using this Sugar's Wingman waterproof eyeliner. I did a little wing, but I did this off camera because I have to do the real work on camera. I'm gonna take this very like a precise brush, and I'm gonna be using a dark brown shadow to blend and, you know, just smoke out this liner. Yeah, I just ended up blending everything. Like even on my lower lash line, I went on with the same brown shadow, and then I picked up this fluffy brush. I again took the orange like shadow and just you know, buffed out everything, so it looks pretty nice, pretty decent. And for mascara, I'm gonna be using K Beauty's lash volumizing mascara. mascara is done, and for my brows I pretty much did nothing. It's quarantine. I haven't been able to get my brows done for a while now, so whatever was left like on my mascara, I just went on with it a little bit and फिर मैंने spoolie से set कर लिया उसको. And again for lipstick I want to go in with a very warm toned lipstick, but before that I'm going to be using this brown lip liner. It is a drugstore lip liner, pretty much available in your local shops. So for lipstick, I'm picking up a Nykaa's Paint Sticks. This is in the shade 01. So this is a very nice sort of a creamy matte finish lipstick. So just to make it last a little bit longer and make my lips look a little bit fuller, I'm going in like with this banana powder that I have right here. I'm gonna just take a little bit on my fingers and I'm just gonna tap it right here. So doing this actually makes your lips look much more fuller, and it also ends up making your lipstick stay for long. So yeah, this way it just makes your lipstick a little bit matte, and then again giving you an illusion of fuller lips. So our skin is pretty glowy, but we still want more glow, so I'm using this LA Colors So Cheeky palette, and I'm gonna be mixing both of these shades. I don't like to go in like bilkul aise aise. I will go on like this, so leaving my skin looking like really nice. So yeah. And that's the complete and finished makeup look. I'm gonna just go have my chunni, put on some jewelry, bindi, and I'll be right back in a minute. That's it for the finished makeup look, you guys. I kept it pretty simple, pretty easy, and I personally really like how the way this look has turned out. And yeah, that's it for the finished makeup look. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below the kind of videos, like kind of makeup videos that you guys want to see from my side, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, ta ta, and namaste.